Okay, this is the video for Shark IQ Robot. It looks like this is the model UR100S. It's going to be up for sale in the eBay store. This is one of the videos I said I want to start making. I guess I should call them the no transparency videos. I'm going to open this. I don't know what's in there. Even though it's sealed, you know, we had a problem before with an item that we assumed to be good and the customer was upset. So we're doing it this way from now on. So what I see, you're gonna see it live, whatever you call it. Let's see what's in here. This is not the factory seal. I'll break it anyway. That's an Amazon sticker here. Items that come from our warehouse. Most of these are returns. Some of them are brand new, never opened, never tried. This one looks like it was opened, so there is a chance that somebody tried it and maybe didn't like it, returned it. Manuals in there. That's not my robot. Shark, I'm sorry. Shark vacuum. Let's go test it. I do see it has some looks like it has some fine lines here. So might have been used. The brushes definitely looks like somebody tried to use this. Yeah, this will definitely get posted as a used item. Because for me, it does show. I mean, you can see the wheels are dirty. They're not dirty, but there's enough there to see that it's been used. So somebody probably bought this, tried it out, and returned it. So I'm going to be listing that as used, and because it looks like somebody bought it and returned it, I'm also going to plug it up and make sure this thing works. Make sure everything's functioning properly for you guys. I have no idea what that is. Like brushes. And then here is the charging station. So everything appears to be in the box. It is going to get listed as used because I feel that this is used. Usually we do open box, but this is going to be listed as used. And this also has very fine lines on it that tell me that it was used. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see it. It was very fine, you know, just from being handled a little bit. So I'm definitely going to be plugging this up and making sure everything works for you guys, and then it will be listed as a used item. Okay? Thank you, and make sure you check us out at Toro Auction House.